Respected teachers, I am Mandira Banerjee, mother of Aishwarya Banerjee, would like to express my feedback regarding online classes provided by KV Sangathan during this lockdown period. I am fully satisfied with this online mode of education during these unavoidable circumstances. Our ward is able to catch knowledge through this online facility. Online classes are an innovative way to keep learning going on even during lockdown. Ensures that children don't miss class and portions are covered and don't get burdened when school reopens. Dear teachers, your classes are very interesting and full of energy. All of you bring lots of tricks and energy to guide and students in right way along with the co-curricular activities like music, dance, handcrafts, etc. And it's also great part that during the session you ask any question about any topic which children learned in previous classes. In this tough situation, when parents and students are anxious about their future, how are we going to cope up with the syllabus? Who turn out to be helper? Your online classes have taken a charge to educate the suffering children. They are excited all day to attend the online classes. Exams and tests are also conducted very easily. This online classes has motivated my ward Aishwarya to attend the class with same spirit as she attends the school. The teachers are very cooperative and they are making optimum utilization of resources through which they can make the concepts even more clear. The teachers had conducted parents-teachers meeting also for making a connectivity with parents, also for the well-being of kids. Dear teachers, thank you for all your hard work during this lockdown. I would like to thank you for inspiring my child to come out of his shell. The school is doing great job. We wish for safety of all. Thank you.
Morning, respected principal and all teachers. I am Somnath Chaudhary, father of Kaban Chaudhary of class 5C of KV number 1 Ishapur. I would like to say something about the schooling. First of all, the atmosphere of the school is beautiful. It's situated riverside. Being a parents, it's our pleasure to have such kind of institution where my child is reading. And secondly, teachers, all the teachers very cooperative, sincere. Whenever we need something, some discussion, they always helps us. We can freely contact them anytime. Now, we all know since the last year, we are passing through a very crucial moment. COVID-19, the pandemic has changed everything in our daily life. And we are not aware about the online classes. The first time we have seen online classes, and we were quite doubtful that how it could be. But teachers very carefully taught us how to handle. We have know that from at home we can read, we can write. Every credit goes to all teachers, and we hope that very soon we will all overcome from this situation. And I pray that very soon we will be overcome from this situation, and we are happy, we are pleased through online classes. And I hope that everyone, if follow the classes carefully every day, we will be able to achieve our goals. And I again pray that we all overcome from this situation. Thank you.
Respected Principal Sir, Headmaster Sir, teacher and all other staff of KV1 Ichapur. I, mother of Abik Bhomik and Sobik Bhomik of class 5C, want to share my some views for the year 2020 and 2021. 2020 has been a very difficult year for all of us, and I believe the hardest was on the students and the teachers. Despite of this abnormal situation, online classes were conducted by the school so that the studies can be continued by the student. The concept was new for all of us, but we all know learning never stops at any stage. Not only the online studies conducted successfully by the school, side by side all the co-curricular activities such as drawing competition, poster making competition, handwriting competition, etc. were also conducted virtually. National festivals such as Independence Day, Republic Day was also conducted virtually. Students were asked to participate in the Yoga Day celebration and Fit India School celebration. Time to time, exams were conducted successfully online, and PTM was also arranged by our class teacher Sika Sharkar ma'am to know whether the parents are satisfied with the progress of their wards or not. Therefore, I would like to thank our principal sir, Mr. B.B. Mahato, Headmaster Sir, Mr. Bishojit Bonik, and especially thanks to our class teacher and all the respective subject teachers for making all the online classes successfully and for the progress of our wards. Thank you so much for all your efforts.